Item: SCP-576. Object Class: Safe. Special Containment Procedures: SCP-576 is to be kept in a digital combination locker at Site-19. The passcode to this locker is to be rotated twice each month. Level 3 authorization is required prior to any testing involving SCP-576. Under no circumstances is access to SCP-576 to be granted outside of testing protocol. Description: SCP-576 is a rounded glass bottle with a cork stopper, measuring approximately 6 cm in diameter at base and 8 cm in height. SCP-576 is etched with a simple design, 2 crisscrossed stems with leaves and flowers, and possesses no maker's marks. SCP-576 is filled with a clear liquid, designated SCP-576-1. Lab analysis has revealed the chemical composition of SCP-576-1 to be identical to that of a 0.0100 m fructose and water solution. It is theorized that SCP-576-1 only retains its effects while within SCP-576, as samples consumed from a vessel other than SCP-576 result in no anomalous effects. It has been observed that SCP-576 appears to be capable of refilling itself, albeit slowly. The replenishing rate is estimated at approximately 2 ml per week. The process by which SCP-576 refills itself is unknown. Consumption of SCP-576-1 results in no immediate effects. However, when an individual sleeps after consuming SCP-576-1, they will experience vivid dreams. Dreams caused by SCP-576-1 are reported to be based on memories significant to the individual. Individuals used in SCP-576 testing report a correlation between the quantity of the fluid consumed and the relative realism of the resulting dreams. When an individual enters an SCP-576-1 affected sleep, they will pass through the natural stages of sleep, stages 1, 2, 3, and 4, and remain in a peaceful, constant state of REM sleep for a period lasting from 8 to 20 hours. Attempts to awaken individuals in this state, before they awaken on their own, have proven unsuccessful. The undisturbed sleep caused by SCP-576-1 is consistent between all subjects, regardless of any pre-existing or history of sleep disorders.